Hello world, it's April 25th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cybermaterial. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Linux Rootkit exploits I/O erring to avoid detection by runtime security tools. Critical path traversal flaws in Rack Ruby web server expose sensitive files. Cyberattack reveals ToyMaker exploiting backdoors to enable Cactus ransomware. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Cambridge University Press reports data breach, exposing sensitive information. KYB reports data breach, potentially exposing sensitive personal information. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. AI expansion in U.S. schools faces cybersecurity and privacy risks, experts warn. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.